As soon as I placed it upon my lips, I knew that I had made a monstrous mistake. Today's Tuesday. I did something bad. It started in anatomy, third period, and since it was a Tuesday, we're in there 2 periods instead of 1, since we have a lab. And we were doing something, I forget what it was, something to do with molecules, or bones, something like that, I don't know. And I was partnered up with this new kid, Phil. Phil's from Bolivia. He moved here, like, over the weekend. I met him yesterday, in the same class. We talked and stuff. He's okay. He's really tall, sort of a lanky, crew cut sort of a boy. He always wears suits to school. I don't understand that, but he seems okay, harmless. Also, I thought. We were doing our experiment in the far corner of the classroom. Though I could barely see through those goggles, I saw Phil slowly take something out of his book bag. It was a water bottle. Our eyes met, and he coolly nodded to me. And then he drank some. Afterward, he let loose a great sigh of relief. Like a runner does after a huge sprint. I didn't understand. Why? I mean, why would someone feel relief after that great of relief after drinking water? Then he asked me, "Do you want a sip?" So I said, "Sure." I mean, I was thirsty. As soon as I placed it upon my lips, I felt an overwhelming sensation. Streams of endorphin rushed throughout my brain as I felt my whole body break out with goosebumps. I was freezing, right there at my lab station. I did not physically move, yet I felt as if I dived headfirst into a freezing pond. As I snapped back into reality only a second later, I let out a sigh, just as Phil had. I looked at him and asked, "What the hell was that?" He said only 2 words to me. EK. I didn't feel the same after that. As Phil walked out near the end of the period, he said something to me like, "I'll check up on you later." He probably meant in the cafeteria during 5th period when we have lunch. Regardless, as I walked throughout the hallways, I felt worried and wary of everyone around me. I felt like they all knew something. Like they were watching me. I didn't even know what I did or what I got myself into. I mean, during there, I logically deduced that it was an illegal drug off the street of some kind. I mean, I had no idea, because I haven't heard anything about that in health class. For some reason, I felt an urge to have something to drink. So I went to the water fountain in the corner of the hallway to get something to drink. But as soon as the water touched my lips, it was disgusting. I spit it out immediately and backed away like, it felt polluted. The water fountain from it was like disgusting. Like I can't describe it. And then I went to the lunchroom. I saw Phil and I sat down to him and I asked him, what the hell? What's happening to me? Then he pulled up my arm, my sleeve, and this was there. I said, what is that? I tried to rub it off, but he said it would never come off. He said that was a sign that I was addicted to it now, and that I would never get off it. I was overwhelmed and so afraid. I didn't know what to do. And then Phil said, there's only one thing you can do. And that was go with it. Then Phil gave me his lunchbox. This one, actually. Inside was a freezer pack and bags. 2 little bags of freezing cold ice cubes. He told me that I had to have these in all my drinks, no matter what. In order to drink anything, from this point forward, I had to have ice in it, or EK, or else I couldn't drink it. He then told me I had to keep it a secret, no matter what, and if anyone had found out, I would be ostracized and shunned from society. Be locked away, go to jail, rehab. I couldn't let anything jeopardize my senior year. I had plans to do things, and someone's stupid mistake. I can't let this control me, but at the same time, it's helpless. I'm pathetic. But I can't believe I'm even talking about myself like this. I'm dependent now on it.